Good morning. Oh, look, I did my hair. What the heck? It's very crisp this morning. Very crisp. It should be about 32, I guess. It's not bad. My hand's a little cold. But that's me, little California boy. Allie Parker needs to go potties. Go potty, Allie Parker. She seems to be, she's doing better. So we're gonna go this morning. We're gonna go hit the store real quick, and then go to the adventure thing and climb trees or something, climb ropes. And Mom and Dad are gonna stay here till, I don't know, checkout time 11. Then they're gonna meet us over there. I'm gonna send them the link where we're gonna go. And then we'll premiere from there. All right, guys. I'm gonna put this away. I had to let that cool off last night. Put it away in the bag and put it underneath the coach. Terry's taking a shower. I took a shower. And we'll dump and we'll fill up with water before we leave, since we're gonna do some more boondocking. Okay, here we go. I'm having trouble with this lock. I just filled up this morning. I can't get it to lock. Go back to Home Depot, see if they have any of these locks. Got a little clip back there, pull the clip off. Had issues with it for a while. Maybe I'll grab some WD-40. It's probably cold too. So Terry's went into Walmart this morning, grabbed some stuff. I don't know what she needs, and I drove away with this door open, see if I can fiddle with it and get it to shut. There is a wall. Oh, there we go. Yay! But I still need a new lock. Okay. Just want to show you that. Sit in here and wait for her to get back. Okay, we are here, it looks like. Let's see what's going on. I don't see nobody. Looks like we're getting all our harnesses on. Got a big chair over here. Reese won't sit in it to take a picture of. There's the course over there. There's Allie Parker. She's gonna watch us.
All right, you guys are in the 9 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock in the morning.
Awesome.
Just follow up, fall in, make a little half circle. These don't roll real well, and it'll act like a handbrake, and you're not going to get that far. We also don't want you to grab the wire if that pinches, and that can get really uncomfortable pretty quickly. So, once you've got your hand placed, figured out, and you're all hooked up, you got your 3 points of contact, you can go ahead and sit down like you're sitting in a chair. Follow me. There you go.
Almost done with the demo course. A lot to learn, that's for sure.
You love that. You love that. And you guys can go ahead.
Look at it. This is crazy with the next thing, Bear or Reese. Next thing is pretty crazy. Here's our next ones. Impressive.
No hands.
Impressive. Actually, that's pretty impressive.
Dad was like, no, shut up, man. I'm like, watch.
Because when I stepped on it, they pretty much flew from underneath my feet.
You just gotta be careful.
Oh.
on, hands. You got this. You're right.
That's where my hands gave out. Got that, Rue. Look at you, man. You were surprised yourself.
I did surprise myself.
I seen it on your face. Very good. No, we did it. We got the extreme band. Show them the wristband. Yep, not too many people complete it. Nice. All right, get unplugged so we can go. Do what?
Can you leave your shoes right here? I just mopped.
Okay, wow, that was tough, Bear.
That was the hardest obstacle course I've ever done.
Uh-oh. Come on, let's go. Is Sandy gonna meet us somewhere or no?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's like an hour away, so I don't
Okay.
know.
All right, we gotta go.
Place your shoes. You forgot already what I said?
What time is it? Okay.
Put it on cruise control, it breaks.
Okay.
I'm in love.
All right.
I
You're
try
like, I
and
can take a
literally,
nap.
Tell everybody what you're doing here.
I came to see my best friend.
What, from Riverside? Just for
I don't
5
live in Riverside. I live in Fontana.
Yeah, not where all the hillbillies live, right?
Yes.
Parker, don't lick her. Come here.
As
All
you
right.
like me, Parker.
All right, so Sandy stopped. We're eating before we're gonna head out.
Their whole day.
You did.
Highlighted the whole day.
I am so
people.
glad you showed up.
Peace out.
Peace out, bro. Bruh.
9, 10, 11.
Okay. So we just
Are
finished
you
eating.
just filming me eating apples?
I don't know. So we just finished eating and we're gonna head out to some dispersed camping. And we're on the road.
She like jiggles her leg.
I shut off my stove, my refrigerator. Okay, now last time I was here, it was twice as cold.
Twice as cold?
Freaking bird.
It's not a bird, it's speakers, and I don't know why they do that.
Molly said she just seen the biggest bird in the world fly off from there.
She's just making it up as she goes.
What are you laughing at?
So we are in Williams getting gas and propane. Gas is $2.95. Now Parker's going potty. Lord willing, and we can find a place. Because I don't know what time it is. It is 2:30. We're about 40 minutes away from where we should be. I know, nail biter for me. There's probably plenty of spaces. Just one of those areas in my life I wish I could get rid of. Okay, this is the entrance to 688 Fire Road. Let's see if we can find a place to park.
That guy's having a good day.
There he is.
That's cute. Look at his little ring.
Yep, right on the road. Let's see if we can find a place. Okay, pretty nice. I didn't stress out. We maybe went down maybe about 3/4 of a mile. And there was a couple places. And so we just found this place. Somebody's over there, but pretty far away. And it might be pretty cold. But we're just about, we are just about 10, I'm guessing 10 miles out of the Grand Canyon, maybe more. So I'm going for a little walk. Look at this. It's nice. It's nice out here, huh, Allie? Huh? It's nice out here. There's some people here and there. I was so worried that this was just going to be a zoo like Sedona. But it's not so bad. Not so bad. Nuh-uh, her threw up. Her's not going to get sick. Hers needs some
Are
food.
they cooking them better now over there?
Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah. Why do I spell me doing stuff with the dog?
Because it's cute. It's my dog, and I like to see
A
her.
minute ago.
What's that?
We should have filmed your little lecture you got a minute ago.
No, I was being mean. I was being mean, and you guys aren't going to get any of that on my videos. I'm always a nice guy.
That's right.
I'm not a...
Mom goes,
See? See? That's what I have to deal with, and then I just blow.
no.
Yes.
He's just making excuses.
Parker, is that good?
Do you want some puppy?
Puppy,
You know,
come here.
It's not us today.
Do you want Mama
Puppy
to get
don't
you
need-
some?
Puppy don't need no food.
Yeah,
A face only a mother could love.
She really does prefer. She really does prefer the fried chicken. She started to climb on the table when I was eating.
That man thought she was adorable.
Now,
Goodness.
Okay, I got that lock that I was talking about.
I told Bob,
So I'm going to try to put this on right now.
you need to get me some.
No, for my
When we,
my door.
we should have gone.
What door?
The door to fill up my water on the side of my rig over there. I can never get it open.
We need some lunch meat.
Yeah.
We need lunch meat.
Yeah, I can never get the key to work. It always sticks and I'm like, you know, like trying to get it to work.
It's 20 years old now, right?
Yeah, so I'm going to put this
How
on.
was that lock?
No, don't,
Hopefully it'll fit.
don't like.
Okay. I fixed it. I bent this thing. It was too long, but it catches there. No problem. Yay. Quick fix. That hairy dog. It's 7:20 at night. Let's see how cold it is. Does it say 30? Can't tell. That's 30. Uh-oh. Gonna get cold. No, but I put this. Well, I just say I put this in a gallon in each. I put it in the gray, dumped it in the sink because I didn't want to dump it in the shower because Allie Parker eats there, and I dumped a gallon in the toilet.
oh, you just did that too?
Mm-hmm. So I think we're gonna call it a night, and we'll see if we survive in the morning. What time? 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock, they're gonna come over here when I all jump in the RV.
Well, that was night bug. We'll see what morning bug says.
See. Okay. Night.